to our IV number 3, which is, I don't know the place, so come with us for our IV tour. Totally, college life, it's our third IV, so we are leaving our PG right now and we are. Uncle is not letting us go. Guys, so രാവിലെ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇന്നലെ മാമിനെ ഇൻഫോം ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് രാവിലെ മാമിൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ നിന്ന് കുറേ വർക്ക് കിട്ടി. സോ ഗൈസ് ഞങ്ങളിപ്പം കോളേജിലോട്ട് നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഞങ്ങൾ ഓൾറെഡി കുറേ ലേറ്റായി. ഞാനും ഷേബയും കാരണം ഇവരൊക്കെ ലേറ്റായി. ബിക്കോസ് മാം ഞങ്ങളെ വിട്ടില്ല, ഞങ്ങൾ ഇൻഫോം ചെയ്യാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ മറന്നുപോയി. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ബിക്കോസ് ഞങ്ങളില്ലാതെ പോത്തിരുന്നാൽ ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊരു വിശ്വാസം ബസ് തരുന്നില്ല. ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ സ്കൈ അറ്റ് ദ മോർണിംഗ്. ഇറ്റ്സ് ലൈക്ക് സച്ച് എ നൈസ് വ്യൂ.
So we are in Dodda Alada Mara. It's the biggest banyan tree. Yeah, and then also it is like it spans over 4 acres.
See, it's like it's spread around. This is like 100 years old.
So guys, we are in the wrong entrance. So now we are going to the right entrance. But this place is also so nice.
Now we are gonna go to the right entrance and go see the banyan tree.
Yeah, we exited the place.
Come fast. Come fast, guys. It's so pretty and it smells so naturey.
So guys, we reached Dodda Alada Mara and we have Sandana with me. I mean Sheba with me. Sorry Sandana, your side. So we are going to interview. What's your name?
Sheba Thomas.
Okay, so Sheba, what do you see here?
Lot of trees.
Yeah, that it's not lot of trees. It's just one tree, but lot of branches. Banana tree. Yeah, like Anamika said, this is a banana tree. Do you hear birds, Sheba?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah. How do you like the sunlight, guys?
Very nice.
Yeah, that's the thing. You know.
Kannal kuttunnu pole.
Yeah, vitamin D in the once in a.
We are in this place right now.
Ladamara.
Yeah, that place. So we are done seeing it. It's like full.
It's so pretty. It's like spread it's
It's like full banyan tree everywhere. 4 acres. So we'll show you guys
one
around.
banyan tree and it's so
One
nature.
banyan tree. I can't.
Yeah, it's one banyan tree that's
Under, oh, it goes underground. That's why.
this roots that comes down, it goes down and it grows again, if that makes sense.
That's so nice. Yeah, guys, that's it. We'll go. Yeah, so this is it for this place. നമ്മൾ കാണുന്ന കുറേ സ്ഥലങ്ങളാണ്. It's thing whatever are here. But then I only saw monkeys and yeah, I only saw monkey, nothing else. So it was a nice place, nice experience. So we all are leaving. 8:15. It's almost 9, and we stopped to have breakfast in the shop. The washroom is not nice, but then it's okay. We are in our next location, but then we have to walk 1 kilometer from here because buses are not allowed. So yeah, we all are going to walk. This is the view that we are supposed to walk and go. I think we should reach there somewhere. So this is the view.
This is the entrance, and we'll walk this way. We'll track our way to the top. They're asking not to bring plastic because it's good to not bring plastic. So yeah,
To protect the
yeah, sustainable, guys.
sustainability.
Yeah.
Guys, this is the entrance.
They're climbing staircase. 400 steps we should climb. Prasna is already dead now.
I'm gonna go. I have so much energy.
Okay, let's see who reaches first.
Oh wow, it's nice, no?
Smile.
So guys, this is halfway top of the vulture sanctuary, and there's a nice view here, as you can see. It's so great, and we are so tired. We walked so much, but then we have more to go. So let's do it. Guys, this is the next viewpoint we found, and so nice. Like, wow.
We are finding out a complete new. It's like we are in Jumanji vibes, or in some like movie. It's so fun.
Guys, there are a lot of plants here, but it's worth it. Fresh oxygen.
They literally look like I'm going for trekking.
Because we are going for trek. Mama. Guys, we are reaching. So guys, we are going to the top and we are almost reaching. Yes.
Oh my god, that's like. I don't know, you have a mic for YouTube channel. Say something.
Guys, we have reached one person who have.
I know I have height phobia, which is why I didn't go.
Okay. Oh, you have height phobia. You want help?
Where we should go? Yeah. Like over there.
Oh my god, did they actually climb that? Okay, okay. Hey, keep it.
It was so hard. My heart is beating so badly, but then we are at the top. We are literally at the top. It was so crazy experience. Like, man. It was like
mountain was like this.
And we were like going like this. Yeah. Seriously, it was so risky because look at the view. I don't know how they all ended up here, but then we don't know how we are going down. Yeah, we don't know how we are going. It's going to be so risky. It was like wind is coming too, so like it was like pushing. My heart was beating so much. And then we are at the top, guys. My god.
Chanting God's name in case if I die.
I had to literally, my one footstep was like the step size.
It's so worth it. Like look at the view, guys.
Exactly, I'll show you. എന്റെ ദൈവമേ. I thought we were restricted to cover.
Don't go. I think it's gonna be very deep.
No, really? My god, I can't believe everyone got in. Like, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ വന്നില്ലായിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ we would have missed our 600 rupees because this is the best spot. Like, look at the top view. Like, yeah, exactly.
This is the top.
It was so risky though, but then
We don't know how we are gonna climb down, but
yeah,
like this is
the climbing down, Anna. See, they all are going down. That's so risky. Like, this is worth it. So we are going back down, and then this is the place that Vulture Sanctuary. So yeah, it's so windy now, and this is the way. Like literally, there's like no way. I'm so scared for your phone. This is like once in an experience.
once an experience.
Basically, our SAR told to go till here, like our the guy, the SAR who organized this tour. But then we went all the way up, and no one's going to tell him. It was fun.
I mean, now he'll watch the vlog and find.
He won't watch. Okay. If he watch, I'm so sorry, sir. We just wanted to make the 600 rupees worth it. And yeah, it was worth it. It was really worth it. Move away. This is the temple he told we should go. So now we are going back down. Same stairs.
400 steps back.
Let's go down now.
There's also a park here, and Blasna is right there. Yes, right now we are in the art and craft factory, and it's so aesthetic. ഇത് മറ്റേ പമ്പരമാണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Nice അല്ലേ? We went to the toy factory and we brought toys like this. So Danu brought this and Blasna brought this. Aldrin also brought for him. It is Batman. I kept it in his bag. So we went that place right now, toy factory. It was so good actually. I want to spend more time. They top there was like painting. Below it was like the toys which are made. But then now we are so hungry that we'll go have lunch and then we'll go to the factory of the toy, like the factory. So that's the current plan, because the plan got mixed up with lunch timing. Driver uncle didn't stop for lunch. I think he forgot about lunch. But we were so hungry and we told him, but then he didn't listen. So yeah, now we are going to have lunch because yeah, we can't. I feel so dizzy without eating. Guys, ആദ്യത്തെ restaurant ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാരും we felt like it's too expensive, and also അവിടെ ഒന്നുമില്ല, അവിടെ ദോശ ഐറ്റം ഒന്നുമില്ല, ജസ്റ്റ് മീൽസ് മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളായിരുന്നു, and it was full veg. So ഞങ്ങൾ അതിന്റെ അപ്പുറത്ത് തന്നെ ഉള്ള ഒരു നോൺ വെജ് റെസ്റ്റോറൻറ്റ് വന്നു, and we get our own space to sit and like in a tent. It's a dhaba, yeah. So this is the menu. We are going to order some non-veg food. Yep. We are done eating lunch and now we are going back to our bus, and then we'll going to the next destination. So it's like 3 o'clock now and we have 2 more locations to go.
So guys, we are here at Venkatloga, and We are gonna explore whatever.
We are going to the museum, which is straight. So yeah, this is the entry. Yes, we are in the guys, there's snakes in this lake. This is the place we are right now. I don't know the name of this place. I think it's
Janpad Loka.
Deepalogala.
Janpad Loka.
Janapad Loga. So it's actually Janapad Loga. There's a buffalo there.
It's statue.
It's a statue buffalo right somewhere there. It's like same as the first location, but it's like a park kind of thing. Like so much statues and all is there. So we are walking. We'll take a 360-degree and then we'll go back.
Guys, there is a dead snake in the water. We saw a live one and now I found a dead one.
So guys, we are going to see the elephant over there. We are entering the village. So let's go. Elephant is with the uncle there. It's a statue, by the way.
What is Aldrin doing there?
Guys, as you can see. Oh, what are you doing near me as a dog?
Noka. Do not touch.
Why are you touching?
Guys, as you can see, there is some real life people. Thank you, guys. They are firing in the fire.
They're firing the fire.
We can go inside the house, it seems. So we're going. This is how it was olden times. So yeah, wow. It's like a real life how it was. This is kitchen. Wow. So this is how it was. There's no bed. I think this is bed, so they sleep here. There's elephant's picture. Yeah, this is how it is.
Let's be decent, that is funny.
I saw. And then when you exit the house, you can see more hunters.
That looks horrible. Is that why you called? You shameless beast. That is a mother feeding its child.
I didn't make it anything like that. You did.
Here, we're not supposed to take so many videos, but I did sneak and take some videos. I'll show it to you guys. This is how it is inside. So there's one house over there, one house, then or a house over there. So I walked from there and now I think we'll exit. So guys, I'm in one tribe right here. Ingana Kora tribe. There are so many tribes like this, like over here too. This is all fake houses and they're just made to define. What did you learn from this place?
That there are so many types of tribes and the houses they stay in are different and each cater to different needs.
What did you learn about this place?
So guys, I saw many tribal communities and I learned specifically like about some certain ones. Like there are like the Siddhis and the Halaka, something I don't even remember the name. But then it's so interesting seeing how people used to live in old times.
Yeah, that
But
tribes.
it's just like so interesting. Like every tribes are different. Like but then there's some similarity between all. And the housing
Unity.
and the housing style and everything is also so different and so pretty. Like as you can see, these are the Siddhis. Like they faced a lot of humiliation and all that as they are like part Negroes. Like they have moved here from Africa, something like that. But then they survived.
We learned while we came here all different types of tribes and how they were when like olden times. So it's a nice place. People who are interested to know, learn about all the old heritage and all, you can come here and it's very fun. You can just spend a day here. As we are exiting this part of the museum, I think this part of the specific place. So this is the it's like actually the map and there's like so many places and I'm going to go to the washroom. We are leaving Janapada Loka. We didn't go everywhere because it was so big. Yeah, tiring too because I couldn't walk so much because we went trekking today morning itself. And now we're going back to bus and we have one more place to visit, which is a toy factory. After that we are heading back to college and I'm already hungry and thirsty, so I just to join the bus. ഇവിടെ ഭയങ്കര അലമ്പുണ്ടാക്കുന്നു ഗൈസ്. എനിവേസ് നമ്മൾ ഈ ഒരു വില്ലേജ് പോലത്തെ ഒരു ഏരിയയിൽ നടക്കുക. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ ടോയ് ഫാക്ടറി ഇറ്റ് സീംസ്. സോ യാ, സ്പെൻഡ് 1 hour here.
Also use agarbatti powder, zero wastage. Okay.
So finally all the destination is done and now we are going back to our college. So it was overall a nice experience, but I'm so tired. We all are tired obviously. I am dehydrated actually. I would like to drink something, or I don't think they stop anymore, so
No, they won't stop.
straight to college. So this was our IB. What else?
IV, third semester IV.
Third semester,
Done.
first IB.
I was successful, pretty much fun.
It was actually nice. The trekking was so. I am happy the trekking was first because it was like our energy was wasted there. Like it was done there, and then yeah, we all are done. Actually, we're all done. We're going back to college.
So guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe.
We are done with IV semester 3.
It's finally all over and we are dead tired and we got this for free.
Yeah.
Not
and something
us all.
We liked it. We are going back. Goodbye. We like.
Yes, guys, IB over. Guys, we're done with IB. We came back to college at correct 8:30, and I just came to the washroom because it's been a long, like I didn't use the washroom, so oof, my whole body hurts. Like it's water. I washed my face too. My whole leg, like from my stomach below, full hurts because obviously I did trekking. But overall it was a nice experience. I got a lot of clips and videos and all, so I hope you guys liked it. That's it. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So yeah, bye.
We are done with the vlog.
Yep.
We are back safe and sound. Bye
Bye.
guys. Bye.
Hi guys.